Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sharp Android TV. To factory reset your Sharp Android TV, go to the settings in top right corner, then go to device preferences, go to about, and now find factory reset, click on that, then go down to factory reset, go down to erase everything. And now it's doing that. So you'll need to wait a moment. It may actually take a while, but after some time the device will be fully reset, ready to go, and you'll be able to set it up. And that's it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.